Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deep into the SSL wrong version number error you might encounter when making HTTPS requests in Python using urllib. This error can be frustrating, but understanding its root cause and how to fix it is crucial for robust web scraping and data retrieval. Understanding the SSL wrong version number error. This error arises when the SSL/TLS protocol version the client, your Python script, is trying to use to connect to the server, the website you're targeting, is incompatible with what the server supports or prefers. It's a handshake failure in the encrypted connection setup. Think of it like two people trying to communicate in different languages or dialects without understanding each other. The language here is the SSL/TLS version. Here's a breakdown of why this might happen. 1. Server configuration *. The server might be configured to only accept specific SSL/TLS versions, example TLS 1.2 or TLS 1.3, and reject older, less secure versions like SSL v3, TLS 1.0, or TLS 1.1. This is a common security practice. 2. Client, Python, configuration *. Your Python environment might be configured to default to an older, insecure SSL/TLS version, or it might be trying to negotiate a version the server doesn't support. This could be due to outdated OpenSSL library *. Python's SSL module relies on the underlying OpenSSL library. If your OpenSSL library is old, it might lack support for newer TLS versions. Python version * older versions of Python might have limited support for newer TLS versions. Default SSL context * Python's default SSL context might be configured in a way that causes it to prefer older protocols. 3. Proxy issues * If you are using a proxy server, the proxy might be interfering with the SSL/TLS negotiation, potentially causing the version mismatch. 4. Network issues * Rarely, network intermediaries, firewalls, routers, could be modifying the SSL/TLS handshake packets, leading to a version mismatch. Diagnosing the problem. Before attempting solutions, it's essential to pinpoint the cause. Here's how you can diagnose the issue. 1. Check the website's SSL/TLS configuration *. You can use online SSL checkers like SSL Labs SSL Server Test, https://www.slobs.com/sltest/ https://www.sslabs.com/SSL-test, to analyze the website's SSL/TLS configuration. This will show you which TLS versions the server supports. 2. Check your Python version *. Run Python version in your terminal to see your Python version. Python 3.7 and later generally have better TLS support. 3. Check your OpenSSL version * in your Python environment. Run the following. This will tell you the version of OpenSSL being used by Python. Compare it to the latest OpenSSL version to see if it's outdated. 4. Simplify your code *. Start with a very basic urllib.request example to rule out any complexities in your existing code. If this simple code fails with the SSL wrong version number error, it points to a more fundamental issue with your Python environment or network. Solutions. Now, let's explore the solutions to fix the error. I'll present them in increasing order of complexity and invasiveness. Start with the simpler solutions and move to the more complex ones only if necessary. 1. Specify the minimum TLS version, most recommended and simplest approach. This is the most common and generally the best solution. You can create a custom SSL context and explicitly tell urllib.request to use a specific minimum TLS version, example TLS 1.2 or TLS 1.3. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk SSL.create_default_context, SSL.purpose.server_auth, creates a default SSL context suitable for verifying the server's certificate. Asterisk context.minimum_version equals SSL.TLS version.TLS v1_2, this is the crucial line. It sets the minimum TLS version that the client will attempt to use to TLS 1.2. You can change this to SSL.TLS version.TLS v1_3 if the server supports TLS 1.3. Asterisk urllib.request.urlopen, context equals context, passes the custom SSL context to the urlopen function, ensuring that it's used for the connection. Asterisk with, using with ensures that the resource is properly closed after it's finished with. Why this works asterisk by explicitly setting the minimum TLS version, you are preventing urllib.request from trying to negotiate older, insecure protocols that the server might reject. To disable SSL certificate verification, use with caution. In some cases, the error might be related to certificate verification issues. Disabling certificate verification can sometimes work as a workaround, but it's strongly discouraged in production environments because it makes your application vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk SSL_create_unverified_context, creates an SSL context that bypasses certificate verification. Asterisk warning asterisk this is highly insecure. Only use it for testing or in situations where you absolutely trust the server and understand the risks. Never disable certificate verification in production. 3. Update OpenSSL and Python. If the above methods don't work, an outdated OpenSSL library might be the culprit. Updating OpenSSL and Python to the latest versions can often resolve compatibility issues. Asterisk update OpenSSL asterisk the process for updating OpenSSL depends on your operating system. Asterisk Linux, Debian/Ubuntu sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install OpenSSL. Asterisk Linux, CentOS/RHEL sudo yum update OpenSSL. Asterisk Mac OS asterisk use homebrew, brew update and brew upgrade OpenSSL. You might need to relink OpenSSL, brew unlink OpenSSL and brew link OpenSSL force. Asterisk Windows asterisk download the latest OpenSSL installer from a trusted source, example Shining Light Productions, https://slowproabe.com/products/win32 openssl.html, https://slproweb.com/products/win32 openssl.html. Make sure to choose the correct version, 32-bit or 64-bit, for your system. After installing, you might need to add the OpenSSL bin directory to your system's path environment variable. Asterisk update Python asterisk. Asterisk using a package manager asterisk conda update Python or pip install upgrade Python, in some cases. Asterisk download installer asterisk download the latest installer from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/download/ https://www.python.org/downloads. Important asterisk after updating OpenSSL, you might need to reinstall Python or rebuild the SSL module to ensure that Python is using the updated OpenSSL library. This is especially true if you are using a custom Python installation or a virtual environment. For using requests library, recommended alternative. The requests library is a more user-friendly and often more robust alternative to urllib.request. It handles SSL/TLS negotiation more intelligently and often works out of the box. Explanation ** requests.get makes an HTTP GET request to the specified URL. *response.raise_for_status checks if the response status code indicates an error, 4xx or 5xx, and raises an HTTP error if it does. *response.text returns the response content as a string, assuming it's text-based, like HTML. *requests.exceptions.request exception catches any exceptions that occur during the request process. Requests generally handles SSL/TLS negotiation well. If you still encounter issues, you can explicitly specify the verify parameter. *verify equals true, default, verifies the SSL certificate. *verify equals false, disables SSL certificate verification, use with caution, as described earlier. *verify equals /path/to/your/certificate.pem, specifies a path to a custom certificate authority, CA, bundle to use for verification. 5. Use a virtual environment. Creating a virtual environment helps isolate your project's dependencies and prevents conflicts with system-wide packages. This can be especially useful if you need to upgrade OpenSSL or install specific versions of libraries without affecting other projects. 6. Proxy configuration. If you are using a proxy server, ensure that it is properly configured to handle HTTPS traffic. The proxy server needs to support the TLS version that the server requires. You might need to update the proxy server's configuration or software. In urllib.request. In requests, replace http:// your proxy address port with the actual address and port of your proxy server. General tips and best practices. Stay up to date. Keep your Python environment, OpenSSL library, and other dependencies up to date to benefit from security patches and improved TLS support. Use virtual environments. Isolate your project's dependencies to avoid conflicts and ensure that you're using the correct versions of libraries. Prioritize security. Avoid disabling SSL certificate verification unless absolutely necessary and understand the risks involved. Error handling. Implement robust error handling in your code to catch exceptions and provide informative error messages. Logging. Use logging to track the SSL/TLS negotiation process and diagnose issues. Consult documentation. Refer to the official documentation for urllib.request, requests, and OpenSSL for detailed information and configuration options. Test thoroughly. Test your code in different environments and with different websites to ensure that it works reliably. Example: combining solutions. Here's an example that combines several of the solutions above to create a more robust and secure solution. Explanation of the enhanced code. Clear function. The code is encapsulated in a function for better organization and reusability. SSL context. Creates an SSL context to enforce TLS 1.2 or higher. Retries. Adds a retry mechanism with max_retries equals 3 in case of intermittent network issues. This can help improve the robustness of your scraper. HTTPS adapter. Mounts the custom adapter to the HTTPS //scheme, ensuring that it's used for HTTPS requests. Timeouts. Implements timeouts to prevent the program from hanging indefinitely if a request takes too long. Proxy support. Includes optional proxy support. Session uses a requests.session object for persistent connections, which can improve performance when making multiple requests to the same server. Explicit certificate verification the session.verify equals true part ensures that certificate verification is always on, unless you explicitly set it to a certificate file. Error handling provides robust error handling with specific requests.exceptions.request exception and SSL.SSL error handling. By combining these solutions, you can create a more reliable and secure Python script for making HTTPS requests. Remember to adapt the code to your specific needs and always prioritize security best practices. Good luck.